So the this is USDCAD analysis for Friday, the 10th of August. Now let's just have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the USDCAD, we can see here where we came down for a perfect test of that 130, from which we've seen acceleration momentum here to the upside. It's a consolidative move to the upside, but it's a move to the upside nonetheless. What we've seen more recently is a sharp acceleration in momentum here to the upside, breaking above the 130.70. We are seeing a slight pullback here, but it's nothing I would be too concerned about. So we've also broke above the 400 period moving average, and we do seem poised for a test of that close above that 400 period moving average. So if we do see this bullish buy side momentum continue, we're looking for a test of this 31.11 here on the we're looking for a move above this 31.11 here on the USDCAD. Now, if we do see a pullback from our current close and where we are at the 30.85, possibly we might see a return towards that 30.70. If we do find support at 30.70, looking for a move back up towards that 31.11 here on the USDCAD. Now, if we were to see the continuation beyond the 31.11, the very next level of note is quite a bit away here on the USDCAD. So if we do see this bullish buy side momentum continuation, if we can break and hold above 31.11, we're ultimately looking for a move up towards that 31.88 here on the USDCAD. And if we weren't able to hold support in around that 30.70 here on the USDCAD, we'll be looking for a move back down towards this 130, from which we found support and seeing this bullish rally. So, and if we did fail at that 130, the very next level of note, I suppose we do have a minor level sitting here in around that 129.65 or so, but ultimately a breakdown from the 130, we are looking for a move down towards that 129.44 here on the US dollar CAD. And let's just have a look here at the daily chart before wrapping it all up. So we'll have a look here at the daily chart, get scale line here correct. And as we can see here on the USDCAD, we do have our highs, we have lower highs. We've come down towards this 130, traded all the way down towards the 129.60s or so. And we are seeing a brief rally here on the USDCAD. So we'll see whether this rally can take us up towards possibly that 31.88 or even as high as the 133, essentially our previous highs here, or whether we'll just simply have a lower high, maybe in around a 31.88, and see this continued breakdown of the US dollar against the CAD. And with that said, we did break out. I suppose we should point out that we did have this uptrend here. We did break out of it to the downside. So this rally may just fail. We may put in a lower high and see further continued breakdown here on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.